What's up, YouTube? Hey, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about something that I've been wanting to try for a little while. So today, we're going to be talking about this kayak. So a little backstory behind this thing. I bought this thing about 8 years ago from Bass Pro. As you can see, it's an Ascend D10. It's a sit-in kayak. Like I said, I bought it 8 years ago, and I used it several times a year up until about 2 years ago. About 2 years ago, I took it, my dad needed to borrow it, and I took it over to their house. And since then, it's been over there. He's used it a handful of times. He also has a canoe and another kayak now. And so this one wasn't being used very much. So since it hadn't been used very much, and I'm starting this new channel, a few nights ago when I got off work, as you saw in the beginning of this video, I decided to go over to their house and pick it up. Since I started fishing, I've been wanting to get into kayak fishing as well. So now that I've got this channel, I figured, hey, no better time than the present to try to start outfitting this thing and getting it ready for the spring so that we can get on the water and see what we can catch. Let's get this thing unloaded. Like I said earlier, basically what I want to do is outfit this thing a little bit for fishing. It's only a 10-footer and it's a sit-in, so it's not super ideal for kayak fishing. However, I'm a firm believer in using what you have and making do with what you got. And that's what we're gonna do with this thing. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. It's been sitting outside for a while at my parents' house and hasn't been gotten a whole lot of love recently, which is fine. But what we're gonna do within the coming weeks is get this thing cleaned up and get it outfitted for fishing. All right, as you can see here, I picked up this milk crate a few days ago and it fits perfectly in the back here. What we're gonna do over the next several days, I'm going to cut up some PVC pipe, make some rod holders to mount to this, to the milk crate. That way we can have plenty of space for whatever rods that we might need for whatever kind of fishing that we're going to be doing. I'm also going to get together some tackle and other things that I'll need for fishing. I'm also going to try to figure out an anchor system for this thing as well. All right, so when I picked this thing up a few days ago, the paddle was missing. I believe it got broken at some point, which is fine. It was an El Cheapo that I got when I purchased this kayak from Bass Pro. And I'll be honest, the next one that I get will probably be an El Cheapo also. I'll probably go to Academy or something like that in the next few days, see if I can pick one up. So as I said, in the next several days, what I want to do, I want to try to get this thing ready to do some kayak fishing, so that when we have a decent day coming up, hopefully I can get out there on the water with this thing. The water temps are still pretty low around here, so I probably have to wait a little bit because I don't like cold water. But that's okay. That'll give us plenty of time to get this thing outfitted and ready to start catching some fish. I've been watching several other channels and videos on outfitting kayaks and what you need, what you don't need. The biggest thing here is minimal. You don't need to bring a whole lot of stuff with you when you go kayak fishing. When I go surf fishing, I tend to bring too much stuff. And with this, hopefully I can dial it back a little bit and just bring the essentials. All right, so there you have it. This is our new project for the channel. Like I said, it's gonna be a kind of a slow deal over the next few weeks. I plan on getting some work done on this thing, getting those rod holders into that milk crate, get the milk crate secured to the kayak, as well as acquiring a new paddle, a life vest, and some other things that I may need. All right, so like I said, this thing's not the best one in the world, but it's not the worst either. Hey, it floats, it's not gonna sink, hopefully, and we can get on the water with this thing. We can kind of go wherever we want. Yeah, I would love to have a nice Hobie. I wish that this thing was a sit on top. I wish it had rod holders already, if it was a purpose-built fishing type kayak. But hey, this is what I have. It's only 10 feet. I would love for it to be a 13-footer or something like that. But hey, you got to work with what you have. And that's what we're going to do. That's what I'm all about on this channel. I like to take what I have already and use it. So as I said, it's not going to be a fast project. We got a little bit of time, and we're going to get this thing outfitted. And when those water temps come up a little bit more, we're going to get on the water and catch some fish in this thing. If you enjoyed this video today, let me know. Smash that like button. Let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying my content so far, hit that subscribe button. Smash the bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload. I've got several plans coming up for this channel. I am enjoying it so far, and I appreciate all the support that everyone's giving me. So anyway, thanks again. Y'all have a great day. Peace.